With feminine energy, you see, it's my turn to be heard. So don't say the word. Sit back and relax and let me explain some things so you can drink it and do what you wanna do.
Oh, I need to be heard.
I need to be heard.
Oh, yeah, I need to be crowned.
I gotta be crowned a queen.
I am a queen.
Come on.
I need to be fed. Let me be me. I don't wanna be nobody else.
I can't be nobody else.
You gotta close the cabinet.
I'm not done yet.
Oh, God.
Look, I can show you how to activate your queen. All you gotta do is do one simple thing. Just repeat this mantra in your mind, and it'll come out just right like this all time. Come out, dark divine. Come out from behind. Come out. I'll show you yours. Come out. I'll show you mine. See, look at all the seasonings.
All right, so you gonna put in the coconut flour?
Let it ride. That looks so good. We haven't even fried it yet. Turn it around. Oh my God. Okay, now what?
There you go. Ooh, that look good. It's okay. Good job.
Now it's time to make the sauce. When this sauce is created, we basically use a little bit of leftover spaghetti traditional ragu sauce. There's apples, jalapenos, that red chili paste, sandwich spread, lemon juice, seasonings, all cooked up and pushed down through a sifter. When I tell you this sauce was the boss, oh my God. Now, you let me know if you decide to let your teenager cook this recipe for you, because our teenager knocked it out the park. Leave us a comment and let us know if this is a recipe you would try, and in the end, you can substitute the meat. Welcome.